Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Niara Alexis, and like the title says, today I'm gonna do like some really fresh but still glam summertime makeup that is lightweight, but you still get that look. You know how like it's hot, you might be outside, you don't know if it's gonna be AC, where you going. This is a light look that's not gonna melt off in the summer heat if you need to be outside. Okay, so we're gonna throw on some lo-fi music. All the product details, I'll have them linked down below for you guys, but I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I feel like it came out so pretty. I cannot tell you how many times like a formula like this for my makeup has saved me in situations where I just don't know. Like, you know, if you're going to the country, you don't know if it's gonna be AC in that house, in that church, wherever. If you're gonna be outside, if it's gonna be 90 degrees plus, if it's gonna be humid outside, this makeup formula always works for me.